Hey everybody, Tom Glaser here. I'm filming a series of healthy recipes for you. This one was inspired actually from a visit to a massage center out west when I was bringing my son back to college just this past fall. I'm a huge fan of peanut butter. This is a great way to eat peanut butter. So we're just going to mix together our dry ingredients. We're starting with a cup of the Instant Oats. I just buy them in bulk. Half a cup of hemp, that's hemp seeds, or sometimes called hemp hearts. This is about a half a cup of sesame seeds. Really simple. Quarter cup of chia seeds. Quarter cup of coconut. I've got, about a half a teaspoon or so of cocoa. Same thing, about a half a teaspoon or so of cinnamon and salt. Mix all those together. And then we add in our wet ingredients, starting with, this is about a quarter cup of honey. I like to use single source local. Quarter cup of coconut oil. This can be a little tricky to get out. There we go. And then 1 cup each of peanut butter and almond butter. And one secret here is keeping those in the refrigerator. We're going to make peanut butter balls here, and the balls will stick together a little bit more easily if you have your nut butters refrigerated in advance. So all that goes in together. Here it gets sticky. You have to not be afraid to get your hands dirty. So I'm just going to use my hands to mix all these ingredients together. So I'm just mixing this all up together. At the beginning, it seems like this is not going to work, but it just takes some squeezing, and eventually these will get all worked in together well. Right, so I've mixed all these ingredients together with my hands, kind of all really well combined. Then I washed my hands, but I didn't dry them completely. Leaving them just a little bit damp is going to help as you form them into balls. So I've got parchment paper on a baking pan, and I just form these into little clumps with my hands. This is going to yield probably about 20 balls. So after I have formed all these into balls, then they go in the freezer, or the fridge is fine too, really, for about 30 minutes. Here's the finished product. The only problem with these is that they don't last very long because they're so good. Wow. This is just an all-time favorite comfort food. Even though it's new, wow. I could eat these all day. So your assignment, should you choose to accept it, is to talk about a comfort food for you and share it with somebody, and talk about your favorite memories of that comfort food, and ask the other person their favorite memories of their favorite comfort food as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.